Simba Arati karange go support Matiang'i. Ate banga bono nje Raila na Ruto ngo support. Nendo governor wa Kisii ngo Boliginde. Ekine koro kinga Matiang'i na bate kitire kene sana Kisii County. Lakini pia okuno koro kinga Simba Arati obekira abantu abangao asebrengere byabo mutwe gotiga bagusibo kabanyene ebrengere babwate about Kisii. Bono Simba Arati amwe go defy Matiang'i. Obu governor bwa na here mbulich komabera rais. Asengencho first ndobate wave ya Matiang'i. Second ndete mbaire through ase video ya unovo governor bwo gwakira chukura Kisii based on nechi nyomba chitu chiri cha Kisii chomo Kisii in Kisii County. Lakini ndara baira through that because ne analysis ngo korechi number ngo wancha ngo saboso wancha kwago o subscribe o comment kele kwa watch video ne channel ya nenenke bali munya ngonye support kalinye support bali muzi tukondia seke songo no nemu kwa times na mukondiki na aro na to share mangana national politics tyange ndrego kwana ase obwagale amangana ya Simba Arati in Kisii County kubandero seat unatoka mbaboniga clanism chinyomba obunyu chinyomba chitya Kisii ngokora chire ngora njibato muchango mone sana asoyo gutangana obo governor in Kisii County. Kera Simba Arati achite last time agite sawingia sana akaenda ko running mate kurunyalibale akama kuya oyolenge omo deputy governor uli arusiti wa BC okuruku monda kera irete obo governor kera irete omo deputy governor kuruoro nera akarubo basi ibabu wate chinamba chire to voters bali 250,000 because nyalibale bwate 150,000 alafu Simba Arati akurubo basi bwate 105,000. So we comment all this is approximately 250, 255 or maybe 260,000 registered voters. So Simba Arati akakesa werega kagotigera machogu chinamba chonsi chanyalibale machogu mwakire obo governor akarusia running mate yaroro ikanyalikananga tinamba chiri chama chokuba go divide na Simba Arati binalenge campaigning ya na onyonka bakabua machogulu yenyali bali yenyene Simba Arati anyora chikure chigoro mono buna toko gambaiga Simba Arati abate Richobebo tali strong as such kwa chinamba 150,000 lakini assuming it gets stronger na bako mwachikura chinyinge on board. Now muna onto ate banga onye Simba Arati ucho work na Matiang'i na kiago chukokora na ki combination ucho kokora ego chukokorwa ya Matiang'i ko make sure nge team yana ya wiro governor kitutu kana lige chinyomba chonse bonda kitutu yabwate chikura 120,000 onjali gatwara about 60,000 bomachoke gatwara 105,000 and then South Mugrange got about 55,000. Chukura chonse chaguzi chisi almost 623,000 registered voters. But tibono Matiang'i asti yango chiko register vale mo. Now, obo governor vongo ya bwa lingepo Getutu. I think na machoke obo deputy. So chinga kecho alito bate mangi. Igo bado bo machoke tranyora bo governor. Na nyalibali tranyora bo governor. Okuliye chinamba chira nyalibali bwate 150,000. Bahise gote nene candidate stronger against Simba Arati kurunyalibali tutaye batene ni omuntu buna ega omuntu omukongura akora magendero tigana chigavana chichindi cha Kirunzi. They will have a good starting point because kero omuntu ate nali gero governor no deputy ba uchero governor bakichukura kulingane wave nere ya Matiang'i governor bakenya lichinguru nyalibali you 150 osite ba mie chachira pamakulige deputy kuruboge tutu. Why is it deputy Getutu? It's one of the strongest combinations because you got a chikurango 270,000 bono on board. Lakini Getutu ni yeto governor. Bono endimba bate for senator. Take up a fair. It's the best, but take up a fair. When you get to kira abenik. Onyo ngati ka roba senator ntale ro chikwenda governor. Governor ero Getutu eru nyalibali. Waende bo machoge wa ye deputy koruo. Bako ye deputy igochi achiri chikuru weterenga 124 onyonga baka campaign chaba Getutu chiche onye Dr. Ndari ga otenera karumo Getutu probably no achira divide 105,000 chao machoge chiche bogetutu 120 echu 225 walete 150 chanya libali chikuicha chirange 300 now bakubuobo governor very early in the morning bakomento bo women rep boru South Mugirango kosebo nchali chikura chakoleki cha mentra ene renjera yogo deal na Simbarati in 2027 atachi etiko nga Matiang'i okoboko tokuriye gocha matega governor ise koru bogetutu it's automatic mpaka tonyole deputy ni ndukuru wo Nyalibali kosebo machoge lakini bakwamo babeke Nyalibali kando mpaka Nyalibali bo senator boruo wegera bote chikuranke uche senseme yende yake ya Matiang'i okomentane wave ya Matiang'i chikure chabire chinyingi chisaine chigwete for governor in Kisii County very important igobono kibako chikuligio leadership ya Kisii County in 2027 mpaka baligereri balancing yobo nyumba onye mu machoge tanya kanyora gento kite anyore ndobato bo deputy speaker ndobato bo speaker tugatora bo senator tugatora bo women rep tugatora novo deputy governor tugatora novo governor banyene ebroge bitano byonsi wikabe distributed across chinyomba chonzi cha Gusii agara ondebo staff feel left out ekira akonye sana lakini chikura chibenda korendu mono kabisa ne chaba machoge bo machoge chikura chiribaka chirendwe asenye njone chinyinge mono igobaka onyo robo deputy governor obo speaker kosifanya robo senator patanyo tie chibitato Simbarati nchukurushara chikura chinyinge sana it is very important Simbarati's team consider ku work na Matiang'i but karange negintu kya muhimu sana Matiang'i's team karansambo consider chinyombe chichonsi cha kururalia cha Gusii chonsi chibe balanced chinyo representation isaine that is the best way they are going to beat Simbarati esa babu wende kwebanga bya kabisa ine linga Simbarati nagete sabu before esabu yu nabone ndako nyaka nende this time around endege ndo kinenda what very simple as this Simbarati has a lot of money therefore the fact remains that on the Jova governor pake prepare well but most importantly mogo prepare chinamba munyoro muntu ubwate chingurura kora banencheka azusuanchire nabantu the fact remains inga Simbarati is going to go on very early in the morning because so far abantu Kisii town are disappointed but akogenda kokolegas nanyole more votes so you go serve where we are across the country to serve Matiang'i Simbarati bakolegas yamo Matiang'i ade Simbarati umugasi ya chakira gukora a keep on doing it mpaka Gusii change iga 2027 ne landslide bagore chukura very early in the morning obuya wa Matiang'i na Simba ko wakamo Gusii yonse pi akaba united obobe wa Matiang'i na Simba ko tawakamo utakolega siama ikoro kinga Simbarati omanyene ochairo mu Gusii secondly Matiang'i akora kanang try unite Gusii thirdly ego chugo destabilize chukura chugo cha asete ba Matiang'i 2027 timati ingi morocha se video yane aswanja kwenu na mogosha na inche to the comment section agara tumirane keep on following the videos that we do here ene renchera mura support inyoro go subscribe na bananera babanga no support the channel feel free to do so see you next time for more videos.